All right, guys. So remember that rainstorm I just showed you, right? This is the aftermath of it. Except this was a little bit ago too. So it's been raining all day. So the one bad part about our driveway, is it comes right down the driveway. Like it comes down the driveway and does this, and it goes through here, down through this somehow, and then it'll go into here, it'll go over this and go in there. Another thing that it does, I gotta get over there quickly before is it comes off the water, the roof over there. It comes off of the roof up here, makes this giant puddle, and it goes through here, down this, all the way down there. It's pretty fun to play in the rain and watch this happen. But yeah, that is pretty much it. If there was still hail on the ground, I'd totally show you what it looks like. But, oh, that's wet. Oh my. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. See ya.